The Worry Box. Picture book by Ja. Pomgel book.
I worry about my worries and then I worry even more.
Juju the lizard has lots of worries. These days, Juju hardly ever smiles. Ho the tiger wanted to help Juju feel better.
Juju, come here.
An idea popped into Ho's head.
What's with the box?
We'll put all your worries inside it.
Phew, that's every single worry I've got.
Wow, that's a mountain of worries.
Ho's mouth dropped open in surprise.
It's okay, Juju. It's okay. We'll send the worry box far, far away.
Ho set Juju's worry box in a giant slingshot. The box flew off and landed far away.
How is it, Juju? It looks tiny now, right? Let's color them and make them pretty.
Ho and Juju decorated the worry boxes.
How do you like them, Juju? They look different now, don't they?
The worry boxes swayed gently.
Juju, try leaving it just as it is. Then think about something else. Maybe look somewhere else. Sometimes, you know, it disappears in a flash. Like this.
This time, Juju's mouth hung open.
Or like this, too. Juju, some worry boxes may go away with just one word. It's okay.
Everything will be fine.
Me too.
You can do it.
I love you.
Done.
Shall we try an even cooler way?
Ho called a magician.
Abracadabra. Alakazam. Now disappear. Poof.
Huh? It's still here.
Juju tapped the worry box, and Ho gave a puzzled tilt of the head.
Well, sometimes they just don't go away.
What if a worry box won't shrink, change, or disappear?
Juju and Ho thought hard.
What are you doing?
A passing lion named Boo asked.
We're talking about Juju's worries.
Then let me join in.
Boo hopped up and sat on the box. The worry box went whump and squashed flat. Juju and Ho's eyes grew wide. Juju and Ho jumped up and sat on the box too.
All your ideas are great. And thank you so much.
Juju beamed, free of every worry.